If you want to screen mirror your iPhone or iPad's display to your Roku TV, then let me show you how to screencast or share your iPhone screen to your TV using Airplay. First, you need to make sure that your iPhone or iPad and your TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi. Also, before mirroring, we need to make sure that Airplay is turned on our TV. So let's go to Settings and open Apple Airplay and HomeKit. From there, make sure that Airplay is turned on. Now grab your iPhone or iPad and open the Control Center. And tap on Screen Mirroring. You should see your Roku TV right here. So we'll tap on it and put in the code that's displayed on our TV. After that, your iPhone will start screen sharing on your Roku TV. And when you're done screen mirroring, to close it, open the Control Center and tap on Screen Mirroring again, then stop screen mirroring. Or you can also press the back or home button of your Roku TV remote. So that's how you can mirror your iPhone screen to a Roku TV. Make sure to leave your thumbs up and stay tuned for more.